Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My YouTube channel name is Speed of Grades. I will talk about all the topics in different subjects. Today starting my first tutorial with the topic of mathematics that is called sets. Let's see it further. What is set, why we use it, and how we can write it, notations of a set, methods of set. Let's see. Stay connected. What is the basic definition of set? It is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. We will see it in examples, so it will be clear to all of you. Okay, and each object is called an element or member of a set. We have a set in that set we have numbers that are divided by comma and are in curly brackets. If we have only one element, then we cannot divide it with comma. If there are more than one elements, then we can divide it with comma, and that elements are in curly brackets. Okay, the member of the set can be anything. In a set we can write anything, any collection of distinct objects like numbers, letters, rivers, books, fish, and etc. Okay, let's see the notations of a set. Sets are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, or anything in capital letters. Obviously, if we write a set, then we have to denote it with something. So we will denote it by capital letters. It is up to you whatever you want. Elements of a set are denoted by small letters. The set which we have written, that the elements are written in small letters. Okay, the number of elements in a set, the number of elements, that how many elements are there, we denote it by S or by NS or by OS. Okay. Okay, there are two methods of set. What are they? First is tabular form. Second is set builder form. Tabular form, let's see what is tabular form. It is a method for defining a set. It is suited for sets contains few members. Like for example, let's see it an example. For example, here we have a question: create a set of 1 to 5 numbers. Here is the answer of that. We have a limited number of set that we can write in a set one by one. But for example, if a question is create a set of all the positive integers, how we can write it one by one? Is it possible? Can you write it one by one, all the positive integers? No, you cannot. So for that, we use set builder form. For tabular form, we use tabular form for only few members, for few elements that we can write. Okay. Set builder form. What is set builder form? Let's see. It is also a method of set, and it is for the large number of elements that I have told you before, that if a set that we cannot write one by one elements, we cannot write their elements one by one, so we use a set builder form for that. It is for the sets that cannot be written in tabular form, as I have said before. For example, create a set of all rational numbers. What will be the answer of this? Let me tell you, I have not written in this. I will show you. have to write a rational number set. So Q equal to, in a bracket, okay, X X X should be equal to P upon Q. You know the definition of rational numbers, all the numbers that are in the form of P upon Q that are called as rational numbers. So X that are in the form of P upon Q, for all, this notation we use for all. For all P Q Q, for all P Q belongs to integer. Q belongs to integer, and and case and Q is not equal to 0. Here is the set for this. For all X, X should be in the form of P upon Q. For all P, Q, and that they belong to integers, and Q should not be equal to 0. As you know, that is the definition of rational number, that uh, that a P upon that a number should be in P upon Q form, and Q should not be equal to 0. That is the definition of rational number. So this is how we write it. Okay. So let me show you some other examples of this. More examples of the methods of set. Here I have pasted a picture. Okay, the first one is, like, we have a question to write the set of all natural numbers. So we write it like this. Another is a set of all non-negative numbers. So we will make a set of whole numbers. Another is a set of all integers. Another is the set of all rational numbers that I have told you before. After that, the set of all irrational numbers. X should not be in the form of P upon Q, and also Q does not should not be equal to 0. Okay, and here is the set of real numbers. X should be in the form of P upon Q, or X should not be equal to P upon Q form, and P and Q belongs to integers, and Q should not be equal to 0. So that is all for today. I will talk about types of sets, subset, superset in next tutorial, and I will solve some of the questions of sets, and that's it. Thank you. Another thing I want to add is that if you have any question, then you can write in the comments, and if you have any topics in your mind that you want me to make a video on that, then you can write that topic in the comments, and make sure to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.